Yesterday, I watched gameplay of Rocket League, and I thought, can I create the same game with AI? Of course, not 100% the same, but at least something similar. So today we are going to create Rocket League in ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and see which AI works best for making this 3D game with just a few prompts. I will use Codex, Anti-Gravity, and Claude Code for testing these AI models. But if you want to test all models in one place, you can use anything.com, where you get access to the latest AI models. Not sponsored, by the way. I'll add the link in the description so you can check it out. So without wasting any more time, let's start. First, we need to download some 3D models that we'll use in this game. Go to Sketchfab and search for whatever 3D model you want. I want a car model. Add the free filter. You can also purchase models, but since this game is for a tutorial, we'll use free ones. This red car looks really cool, and I think it will be good for our main player, so I'll download its GLB file. Now we need a football, so I'll search for that. This ball looks good, so let's download it too. Okay, so we downloaded our assets. I'll add these assets to the game folder. First, let's test ChatGPT in Codex. Let's paste our prompt first. I'll add the prompt in the description as well. Now choose the AI model. We'll go with GPT 5.5 Extra High Mode, because it's the latest and most powerful model from OpenAI. Now it started working. Let's see how much time it takes. So after 11 minutes and 40 seconds, our game is ready. Let's check the lines of code. It generated around 2,046 lines of code. It also provided an open browser button, which is cool. I'm excited to play the game, so let's open it. Okay, first impression. Our car is turned backwards. It's moving forward, but from the backside. Okay, let's test the controls. The controls are actually good. I don't know why this circle ring is floating above my car. You can see rival cars as well. I also have my teammate in blue color. The football animation is really cool. The stadium and environment also look nice. Woo, they scored a goal already. Now we'll try to score one. My teammate is full energy. Where is the ball, bro? Let me kick it. My opponents are really fast. We will definitely score this time. Let's go! Whoa, 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 whoa! And finally, we scored this time. So overall, I liked this game. GPT did a really good job with the controls, environment, and animations. In all my previous videos, ChatGPT always did a great job with animations, and I noticed the same here. The game UI is also clean and nice. Everything feels playable. Now let's use Gemini and Anti-Gravity. First, we'll paste our prompt and choose the AI model. We'll go with Gemini 3.1 Pro High Mode because it's the latest and most powerful model from Google. So let's see if it can beat GPT or not. It started generating the game. It only took 5 minutes, which is much faster than GPT. It generated around 873 lines of code, which is also much less than GPT. I really want to see what it created in such little time and code. Let's open the game. As I expected, it's not moving. Also, this camera angle is very weird. I can't even see the car or the ball. None of the controls are working. Is this car jumping? I don't even know. Let's ask Gemini to fix the overall game controls and movements. After 5 minutes, it's done. Okay, at least now we can see the car and the ball, but it's still not moving properly. The wheels move left and right, but the car itself doesn't move. Also, the car is completely different from the one I added in the folder. I clicked shift and suddenly it started dancing in the air. Bro, what? Whoa, 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 it's not stopping. It's just spinning. Bro, I wanted the ball to spin, not the car. Oh wait, I kicked the ball using boost. The boost animation was actually cool though. Oh, my car got flipped. It literally launched into the air. I don't even know what's happening in this game anymore. Now it's stuck in the middle of the air. Let's ask Gemini one last time to fix the car controls. Let's see. Whoa, 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 my car started dancing again. My car is flipping and spinning instead of the ball. It's just not working. So overall, Gemini did not do a good job. None of the controls worked properly, and it didn't even use the car model I added in the folder. The environment also didn't look that good. In the end, my car literally got launched into space. Bro, what? Now, let's use Claude in Claude Code. Let's paste our prompt first and choose the AI model. We'll select Opus 4.7 Extra High Mode. I really want to see if it can defeat GPT, because Gemini definitely didn't. It started working, and after some time, our game was ready. It generated a total of 1,677 lines of code, which is slightly less than GPT, but it took almost half the time. So let's see what it created. Okay, first impression is actually not bad. The stadium looks clean, there are rival cars, and our car also looks good. Let's test the controls. I'm trying to score a goal. The controls are good, And the movement also feels smooth. Woo, I was so close to scoring. Oh wait, that was the rival's goal, haha. It doesn't have as many animations as GPT, but it's still decent. Now let's ask Claude to add some cool animations so the game looks even better. Okay, it's ready. Woo! Our ball became monster size. But it did add animations to the cars though, haha. Whoa, 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 the ball is spinning and it feels like an earthquake. Why is there a portal here? Oh wait, that's part of the animation. Claude added animations, but it also added bugs and errors. So overall, Claude did a good job in the first version, but completely broke the game in the second version. The controls and movements were good, and the environment also looked clean. But when we tried adding animations, the game got broken. Now it's result time. I think we all already know who the winner is. According to me, ChatGPT is the winner because it performed the best overall in just one prompt. It added cool animations, smooth movement, and a playable environment. Claude comes in second place, and Gemini is third because it couldn't even create a proper working game. I also want to know your opinions, so comment below and tell me which AI you think performed best.